LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys. Notice: many times, laptop manufacturers produce keyboards that look the same on the outside, but have different retainer clips underneath the keys. To help you find the correct repair video for your keyboard, we've created a searchable database. Simply go to LaptopKey.com, enter your laptop brand and model number. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on View Videos. A list of all compatible videos will appear. Select the retainer clip model that matches your keyboard. That's all. You're now ready to repair your laptop keyboard.
We're going to show you how to install your laptop key. We will now assemble the two plastic clips together. Attach the assembled plastic hooks to the keyboard. Place the rubber cup in the center. Place your keyboard key on top of the retainer clips. We're now going to install the small key. Stretch the retainer clips to catch the top metal hooks on the keyboard. Place the rubber cup in the center. Place your keyboard key on top of the retainer clips. We are now going to install the large key. Gently align the retainer clips so that they catch the metal hooks on the keyboard. Place the rubber cup in the center. That's all. You now installed your laptop keyboard key.
We'll now show you how to remove a laptop key. Simply pull on the edge of the key in a gentle but firm motion. Lift up and remove the key. It's that simple. If your key is loose and not sticking properly to your keyboard, your retainer clips are likely broken. This issue can be fixed by replacing your retainer clips. Replacement laptop keys and retainer clips can be purchased at LaptopKey.com. LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys.